everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome! I hope everyone had a good Christmas and a good Boxing Day. Did you see what hubby gave me for Christmas? Oh my goodness, so excited. I'll link it up here down below, or both, if you haven't seen it. Yeah, so I have some happy mail. So how's everyone doing? I hope you're doing good. I have three cards and also a package. So let's start off with these cards. If the people have channels, of course, I will link the channels below so you can go check them out. Isn't that cute? So cute. All right, it says, Darla, I watch your channel. I love watching and your tutorials. From subscriber Josephine. Thank you so much, Josephine. Thank you so much. Thank you for this card. Thank you for thinking about me. It just, it means so much to me. Thank you. All right, so the next one. Oh, let's see. Where is Josephine from? North Carolina. Yes. Okay. Thank you for sending that all the way to Canada. Okay, the next one is from Tina, and she's from Ohio. Hi, Tina. Oh, it's a thank you card. She wrote on the back, sorry, Darla, misplaced this. That's okay, that's okay. So a really pretty thank you card. Can I read this? Oh, Darla, I just want to thank you for the wonderful, happy mail I have received from you. Then out of your generosity, one more of your gorgeous yarn that you donated to Dee's celebration. Dee would have been, that's Dee's Creative Hands Crochet. Yes. Oh, I love your channel and enjoy the content. Your tutorials are some of the best. Wow, Tina, thank you. Camper 14 is the name she uses on YouTube. Thank you so much, Tina. Wow, your tutorials are some of the best. Wow, wow. Well, you're very welcome for, yeah, that yarn I donated and you won. And yes, so happy for you. And oh my goodness, thank you so much. You didn't have to send me a thank you card, but that's so sweet, so sweet. Yeah, so sweet. Okay, now the next one is from Rebecca. She's from IN. Is that Indiana? I'm not sure. I'm in Canada. I don't know all the initials of the states. Look how cute. So cute. Okay, so have a safe and happy Christmas, Rebecca. Yarn and pajamas. Thank you so much, Rebecca. Definitely link the ones that have channels. Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking of me. Oh wow, it just means so much to me, you guys, so much. Okay, so I have a package. Let me see. I thought I had cut this one open too, but I did not. So just give me a second. Yeah, I usually check my mailbox on usually on Saturdays, sometimes during the week if I get the chance to. But yeah. Okay. So exciting. Oh, so exciting. All right. Merry Christmas, it says. This one is from Jeni. Do you pronounce it Jeni? Jeni? Or is it Jeni with the one N? Let me know. I meant to ask you that in one of the emails, but I forgot. Oh, phone call. Hang on. All right, so Jeni or Jeni from Oklahoma, I believe. Okay, you're okay. I think that's Oklahoma. So, this is Merry Christmas. So exciting. Oh, okay. Beautiful Christmas card. Look. Beautiful. Yeah, we have snow here in Winnipeg. It was so cold. Oh, you guys, so cold. We had a wicked wind chill of, I don't know, somewhere around -40, which is the same as Fahrenheit. So, yeah. But the wind chill broke, so it's better. It's much better. Okay, so she's, okay, sorry. Okay, she wrote, saw these cute buttons and couldn't help but think of you, Darla. Merry Christmas, Jeni, or Jeni, your sister in Christ. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. They're owls. Look. Oh my god, let me take them out. Oh, first of all, this is Soology. 6-piece buttons, hand wash only. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, you guys. There's pink and oh, dark green and a lighter green. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh my gosh, can you see them here? Let me do this better. Sorry, guys, sorry. So cute. Look, look. So there's a pink one. Oh, dear. Okay, I dropped one because I'm just so excited. I dropped one. You know. Just letting you know, I'm just like everybody else. I'm not perfect. Dark green. It's got purple on it. And then there's the lighter green. And there's 6 all together. 2 of each. Oh, they're so cute. So very cute. That's the back. So cute. Oh my gosh, does it say a size? Would they have a size on here? No. Anyways, from Soology, is that, oh, Hobby Lobby, it says on the back. I have Hobby Lobby buttons. This is the first time ever, I think. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I love them. All right. So, yeah, thank you everyone for joining me today for my Happy Mail opening. I'm working on, I'm working on a tutorial for something. I have, okay, I started designing something else as well. You know, between Christmas and New Year's is a little bit difficult to record because normally, you know, hubby's around and he's pretty noisy, but he left for a bit, so I took this opportunity to record. So I just thank you all, and I hope to see you again before the new year. If not, Happy New Year. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.